to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about how to moisturize your hair with just 250 naira, which is actually 15 cents. So you say in this video that you don't have to splurge so more on products just to keep your hair moisturized, and in my last video I talked about how to keep your hair moisturized without actually spending a dime. Like, you don't have to buy any product, you don't have to spend any money. So I'll link that video in the description box below if you are interested. So let's just get started. So the method I'm going to be talking about today was what I used when I got stuck at mid-back length to actually grow my hair a little longer. Like, I actually saw length retention by using these methods to moisturize my hair, and I actually did this for about 1 to 2 years, and I saw tremendous results in the length of my hair and in the health of my hair. If you've watched my previous videos, you know already that I said I got stuck at mid-back length 3 years into my hair journey, and before then I was not applying any products on my hair. So when I got stuck, that was when I started doing research, but all the products I saw were too expensive for me to afford. So that was when I started using this method, and when I started it, there was tremendous positive results in the length of my hair and in the health of my hair in general. So, like, as we all know, moisturizing actually has two components: the moisturizing proper and sealing. Now when it comes to the moisturizing part, for this method you will not need to spend a dime, and I already talked about that in my last video, so make sure to check that out in the description box below. Now what you are going to have to spend money on is the sealant, what you are going to use to seal your hair, and for this you are going to need an oil. Now you might be wondering, what kind of oil will I get for 50 cents? What kind of oil will I get for 250 naira? If you have been following me and watching my videos, I'm sure you already have an idea of the oil I'm going to talk about, and that is the Goya extra virgin olive oil. This oil actually comes in different sizes. There is a bottle one, there is a plastic one. I usually use the plastic one most of the times. I think I've used the bottle one just once. I prefer to use the plastic one because the plastic one actually give me the results I want. So why go for the bottle one? Because the bottle one is actually more expensive than the plastic one. So that's why I use the plastic one, and as long as it's giving me my results, I'm okay with it. And I've actually talked about this product in a different video. I reviewed this product in detail. I talked about the pros and the cons, what I liked about it, how it helped me in my hair journey, and this is actually the only oil I have been using, and it is the oil I use to date. Like, this is the only oil I have used throughout my hair journey. I've not used coconut oil, I've not used castor oil, I've not used any other oil. This is the only oil I've been using, and I have not actually tried any other oil because this oil has been giving me the result I have been looking for. I don't really have the product around me right now. I would have showed you so that you guys know how it looks like, but you can check the description box below for the video link, because in that video I showed the product. I gave my honest review, my opinions on it, how it helped me, the pros, the cons, and everything. So you can find the link to the video in the description box below. So guys, you can see that you don't really have to splurge so much on products before you moisturize your hair. You can see that when moisturizing your hair, you can even do it for free. Like, in case you don't want to see your hair, you just want to moisturize your hair, although it's recommended that you moisturize and seal your hair. But if you are only going to be moisturizing without using the sealant, you are going to have to moisturize much more frequently because your hair is going to dry out quicker compared to when you use a sealant to retain the oil. But in case you just want to go for moisturizing without sealing, you can actually do it for free. Like I said, I've already made a video on that, my previous video, which I'm going to link down in the description box below so that you can check it out, how to moisturize your hair for free, like without spending a dime. And lest I forget, here in this channel you are free to drop your questions, your challenges, your worries, whatever video you want to see from me in the comment section down below. And what I do is to pick the videos, the question one after the other, and make a video specially for you, because we are one big happy family and we are here to support and help each other attain our goals in our hair journey. And if you stayed with me to this point of this video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate appreciate your love, I appreciate your support. Thank you all so much. I love you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new here and you aren't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video on YouTube. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.